Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to connect two-way switch intermediate connection wiring diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Double pole MCB circuit breaker, two-way switch, intermediate switch, another two-way switch, bulb. Phase connection input to MCB circuit breaker, neutral connection input to MCB circuit breaker. Phase connection output from MCB circuit breaker to connect two-way switch, common terminal, common connection between two-way switch 1 and intermediate switch L1 and L2 terminal, common connection between intermediate switch and two-way switch to L1 and L2 terminal, output connection from two-way switch to common terminal to bulb phase point. Neutral connection output from MCB to connect bulb. Now this circuit is ready for use. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.